yung number of attempts. Only 10 attempts, 5 out of 10. Jimboy Pasturan with 5 straight points.
No, but really, if you're talking about Mark Doligon, medyo na-slow down siya after what happened towards the end of the, I think he's playing through pain right now.
Yeah.
And hopefully, kasi normally, ito, adrenaline to eh, kaya nakakapaglaro ka pa eh. Hopefully, that does not, soar that bad in the incoming days. Because they're definitely gonna be needing itong si Mark Doligon in the next games that they will play.
Si Barasi sa si De La Cruz kanina pa.
Oo, kanina pa yan.
JV De La Cruz with 13 points.
Eh, mabigat rin naman kasing kabantayan si Barasi. Mahirap bantayan, tapos mahirap rin pag siya yung bumabantay.
Kit Aryar, still scoreless. Does have 7 rebounds and 5 assists though.
There you go.
Pumihit, will lay it in. 101-76.
And it's good to see him back to his usual moves.
Pull up, Michael Alvarez, short.
Taas
Omar
ng-
Lahupay, rebound na naman. Pupuhol, Mintes, taas ng elevation.
Ano
Jump
na
shot.
elevation ng tira?
Eh, parang kuya lang yan. O eto, si Enzo Navarro, parang kuya din niya. Si Coach Melo.
Oo nga.
Mga asintado galing sa labas at sa pag-ibig din. LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Parang yung partner ko, si Coach Mike, asintado rin.
Ba't ako?
Shout out kay Ma'am Doris.
Shout out sa aking butihing wife who is right now in the car watching the game via YouTube with Riley.
Sa loob, Doligon. Sige. Para baka sabihin mo, kinukuking kita eh. Patingin ko na rin misis ko. Miss Nudge Miravalles. Kahit di ka nanonood.
Madam Nudge, ito ay patunay na kahit di ka nanonood, binati ka ni
Oo. Ano yan? Usti din yan.
yeah.
Oo. Special deal from 1xBet. Scan the QR code and claim your special offer. Ano, balita ko, pag taga-uste,
No.
Hindi ko na itutuloy, baka magalit yung courtside reporter natin eh. Taga-uste din yun eh.
Alam mo nag-stay dito.
Mas time misis ko taga-uste, tatapusin ko na lang doon. Ha? Si Coach Christian, taga-USD din.
USD.
Love ko USD. Alam mo bakit?
Bakit?
Para sa akin, sila yung may pinakamatinding crowd.
Oo, no.
Di ba? Yung Go Uste, kahit kalaban ka, maaantig yung puso mo eh. Di ba? But this guy, my goodness, 23 points, 16 rebounds. Another 2010 outing for Omar Larupay.
And what impresses you about Omar Larupay? Siya pretty much undersized eh, no? Sipag lang talagang rebound. Yung scoring given na yan, he's gonna get those shots so long as he keeps on moving. But the rebounds that he has to work for, yun na nakaka-impress talaga.
Win number 14 for the Basilan Star Horse as they are seeking to barge into the top 6, which means an outright spot in the playoffs